Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. I am so excited. Today I am launching my first Anything Goes paper crafting challenge here on YouTube. When my blog was really active, I used to host challenges all the time, and I thought with all my new subscribers and how I'm cleaning and organizing my craft room that this would be a great time for me to host a challenge. It is going to be so easy, guys. Anyone can enter. You have to be over the age of 18. You do have to be a subscriber of my channel, and due to the postage, the prize giveaway is going to be only offered to US residents, and I do apologize for that, but the increase in postage is just outrageous. So those are what you have to do in order to be able to win the prize. My channel, DoubleClick Connect, is where all the details will be linked down below in the information box. And I'm also on Instagram under DoubleClick Connect, where you can direct message me any questions, or if you're only on Instagram, you could tag me over there. This challenge is going to be an anything goes, so crafter's choice, preferably paper craft related. Some examples of what you can send in: a tag flip, a Rolodex, flat mail, an embellishment box, a pocket letter, a crafty item, a 3D item, a handmade flip book, a junk journal, so anything like that. You will receive one entry for your project, and then you have the opportunity for an extra entry if you do a video response linking back to my channel. And I will share all the entries on my channel. My mailing address is, if you go to my YouTube channel and you go to the About, you'll see my mailing address right in there. Or you can just send me a direct message on Instagram and I'll send it to you from there. It is open now until June 13th, and that's going to give me enough time to film the projects, edit them, get them up on my channel, and I'm trying to do it before my cross-country season starts. So June 13th is the deadline, and anything received after that I will show on my channel, but it won't be able to be entered in for the prize. I do ask when you send it out, if you could leave me a comment that it's been shipped, so that when I receive your package, I can easily find your channel and link it back. And just make sure you include your channel name like somewhere in the package. So that's it, guys. Super easy. Crafter's choice, anything goes challenge. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. And yes, there is a prize. We're gonna go through that right now. I'm very excited. So if you've seen on my channel, I've been doing tons of organizing and cleaning out of my craft room. So this is just all crafty items that I've pulled from my craft room that I have duplicates of, and I want to share with you guys. Hopefully you can use it in your crafty projects, in your happy mail, or whatever you want to do with this stuff. Okay, so the first thing that we have are some, let me make sure I'm in frame. Okay, I think I could probably zoom in a little bit. Okay, we have some clear dot stickers, some word stickers, dream catch stickers, and then we have just a variety of these cute stickers. And then we have these speech bubble stickers, and these ones. Okay, then we have a couple of these mini frames, some metal rimmed tags, we have some word tags, and then we have some laser cut stockings. Then we have a couple of different types of, these are charms. I think these are brads, and these are paper clips. So this set, we have this set, and then we have this set. These are great for junk journaling and tags and things. Then we have, let's see, this stamp that says adore. This one that says fun. Then we have this new package of plastic tags. A package of eyelets. And some big brads. Some wood embellishments, the banner style. And this package of the Basil Big Chips. There's like a flower cut out in there. This package of K & Company Birds and Flowers. This package of cork shapes. Package of burlap shapes. And these chipboard pieces. This package of blue mini clothespins. Package of blue buttons. Two rolls of washi tape. Couple of rolls of ribbon. This sticker book from Heidi Swapp, like a planner type sticker book. We have this die from Sizzix, the butterfly layers. And then I'm also sending a sample of what I sell in my Etsy shop, which I will link down below for like vintage junk journaling. We just have a bunch of different little papers, cards, envelopes, just fun things that you can put in your junk journal. So I'm including a sample pack in this prize. And then I'm relaunching my Double Click Connect Skittles. These are hand-dyed dewdrops, and this was from a collection that I launched around Christmas time. It was the Frosty collection. So you'll get the Frosty Pink, the Frosty Blue, and then the Frosty Clear. And stay tuned for more to come about these, but this is also part of the prize package. So yeah, that's the prize. I hope you guys will be able to use what I'm sending out. And I'll just put this up here one more time so we can just go over. You have to be over 18, a subscriber of my channel. Here's my channel information. It's an anything goes. You get an entry for your project and an entry for your video response. I will video your entries on my channel. My mailing address is in the About Me page on YouTube, or you can just direct message me on Instagram. It is open now until June 13th. The prize for U.S. residents for an entry. And please just leave me a comment on any of my videos when you mail it so that I can easily link your channel when I'm making the video on your entry. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. I hope that if you're watching, you subscribe and enter my challenge so you can have a chance to be entered in my prize giveaway. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.